video, we will learn how can we plot the dynamic heat map for a particular index and sort it by the RSI. So previous videos we were seeing how to plot the dynamic heat map either for price percentage change, else for the relative volume. In this video, we will only learn the RSI Dynamic Heatmap. So when you log into the website, you will see this page. You have to go to Markets segment and click on the fourth bullet point, Dynamic Heatmap. When you click on Dynamic Heatmap, this page will open. So now you have to click on the index. So for example, I am choosing Nifty 200 here, and I have to go to sort by and select RSI 14 range, and you have to plot the heat map. So here we have taken RSI 14 for the analysis. You can see the scale has been arranged for RSI. So in any particular stock, if the RSI is between 30 to 70, it's considered normal. It's neither in the overbought zone nor the oversold zone. So that's why the color coding is white. Means there is no color coding behind that particular stock's background. You can see. But if the RSI would have been more than 70, you can see the scale is arranged. So if the RSI is greater than 70 to 80, it will be in the lighter green shade. And as the RSI value increases, as the stock gradually goes to the overbought zone, more the stock is in the overbought zone, more the green color coding will be darker. And it is just reverse for the stock that are in the oversold zone. So if the RSI is below 30 and below 25, 20, 10, 5, you can see more the stock is in the oversold zone, more the darker the red color coding will be. So right now in Nifty 200 heat map, we can see only Indus Tower is in the oversold zone with RSI 26.4. And let us scroll down to see if any stock within Nifty 200 is in the overbought zone or not. So you can see, yes, from Navin Fluorine till Aurobindo Pharma, these stocks are all in the overbought zone. So in the live market, the data gets updated, and when the data is getting updated, you can see it here written in red color, and you have the refresh button as well, so you can refresh from here as well. So that's all for this video. In the description box, the 2 video links will be given: how to plot the dynamic heat map for relative volume and price percentage change. So you can watch those videos as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can put them in the comment section and you will get a reply from our team. Thank you.